Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Docker Engine latest version on Ubuntu 24.10. First open any web browser, also open terminal, verify Docker is installed or not. Docker sudo Docker version. See, we don't have Docker, so go to docs.docker.com. Click on manuals, then click on Docker Engine, then select install, then select Ubuntu. See here the OS requirements are Ubuntu 24.10. So I am on Ubuntu 24.10. So the first step is, if there are any older versions, we have to uninstall them. So copy this command, then go to terminal, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now installation methods. See here we have different methods, but in this video we are going to install by using Docker's apt repository. Scroll down. See here these are the commands by using apt repository. So update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. Then install CS certificates on call. Copy this command. Control A, paste it, hit enter. Both are already newer versions. Then install these keyrings. It is going to create direct. Then import that GPG key. It is done. Now change the permissions. It is done. Now add the repository to apt sources. So copy this command up to this dev null, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages again. Sudo apt get update, hit enter. It is done. Now install the Docker engine. See here we have the latest version or specific version. I am going to install latest version. So copy this command or just click on this copy button, then Control A, paste it, hit enter, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify by running this hello world image. Control A, paste it, hit enter. See, we got the output hello from Docker. Also verify the version of the Docker -version. See, we have the Docker 28.0. But if you want to get full information, sudo Docker version. See, we got more information. Okay. But if you want to get the information without sudo, we have to add the current user to Docker group. Sudo usermod -az Docker, then current user $user. But if you run the same Docker version, it will give the limited output. But if you log off and log in back with this current user, then you will receive full output. If you want to verify the status of the Docker service, sudo systemctl docker status docker. See, Docker is running and it is enabled. Okay, you to get Control A. So in this video we have seen how to install Docker Engine latest version on Ubuntu 24.10. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.